Hello everyone, welcome back to Cookbook. Today we are going to do is a pav bhaji pulao. Generally what we have is only a pav bhaji. Today we are going to mix it with rice and we are going to make a pav bhaji pulao. So let's start. 1 tablespoon of butter. Half a tablespoon of garlic. 1 cup chopped onions. We'll saute the onions. Our onions have changed color. Now we are going to add the masalas. Approximately 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri lal chili, 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala, and we are going to saute it well. We'll add 1 cup of boiled and grated potatoes. Reduce the heat a little bit. We don't want our pav bhaji to burn. Now we'll add the boiled and blanched tomatoes. We'll allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the butter that we added starts leaving the sides. We'll add approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add approximately half cup of chopped capsicum to give that crunch to our pav bhaji. Our pav bhaji masala is almost done. Now we'll add 3/4 of parboiled rice. We're going to mix it lightly because we don't want our rice to break. Our rice is completely done. Now we'll plate it. Our rice is plated. We'll garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves. Some butter. So friends, the pav bhaji pulao is ready. Please subscribe and like my recipes. I'm going to go enjoy my pav bhaji rice. See you soon. Hi friends, this is Chef Amit here, back again. Today we are doing is egg curry, which is a very Indian recipe, easy to make and delicious to eat. 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and sizzling hot. We'll add approximately 1.5 chopped onions. The onions have started to turn brown. Now you add is half a tablespoon of garlic, half tablespoon ginger, little less than half tablespoon green chilies, half a tablespoon garam masala, same with chili powder, salt, little bit of turmeric, and mix it well. The masala is nearly ready. Now you can add is 1 cup tomato puree. Let it cook for 5 minutes until the masala leaves the pan. Here your egg curry is ready. We'll add the 2 boiled eggs to it. We'll coat it nicely. So we'll allow the eggs to simmer in the masala for 2 minutes so that it tastes more better and the eggs absorb the gravy and the masala. So while when you eat it, you can feel the curry, the gravy inside the egg also. And even the eggs will fry in the masala, which will make it more richer and tastier. Now your egg curry is ready to be served. Garnish it with some coriander. Your egg curry is ready to be served. You can eat this with either rice or bread or chapati. Enjoy your meal.